should probably have this, but I really want this. Okay, I've decided I'm going to save this for when I go back to work, whenever that is. Because this is easy, you just put in the microwave and then whatever. I'm not going to eat this today. Okay, I remembered I also have this pizza. I think I'm going to have this. Yum. So I don't know if you guys like hauls or not, but I love them. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Aldi this week. First thing I got, oven roasted turkey for Ryan sandwiches, breakfast sausages. I've been wanting these so bad. These are delicious. Some ground beef, rising crust, 4 cheese, mozzarella, Asiago Parmesan, and Romano cheese. That's one of them. And I also got the 3 meat pizza, pepperoni, sausage, beef topping. And I got this one as well. They were $3.06 a piece. So I'm excited to try them out and see if they're pretty good. Butter, sour cream, more milk, mild cheddar cheese, these tortilla chips, seeded, sprouted Asian grains. I like the pumpkin seed version of this, so this is my first time that I'm going to try this style. Of course, I love my eggs from Aldi, so I got 2 packs of eggs. The romaine hearts. I want to make some rolls, like rice paper rolls. Some more spinach, cucumbers. I've been wanting cucumbers for a while, so cucumbers. Avocados, tiny avocados. Green salsa for chilaquiles. And some bananas, which are really green, so I'll have to wait a little bit until I get to use these. All right, and that's pretty much it. Anyway, I'm gonna put this stuff away. Okay, I'm trying to connect my little Fit watch so I can work out, because that's what I want to do right now. I want to work out. I want to do a Zumba video, sweat a little bit, get my, system going, but it's not connecting and I don't know why. And I've done it like 3 times and all 3 times it says not connected. So let me try again and hopefully I can work out before Ryan gets home so that I can, get that done. It is 11:52 a.m. and I was on lunch, but I have to go back in 8 minutes. So I might just take a 8-minute nap. I've been tired these last 2 days. I'm not quite sure why, but I'm just really tired. I just want to sleep. But today I don't really have to cook. So my every plate meal comes with 5 meals. And so I finished those yesterday. And my new box comes in tomorrow, Thursday. So that gives me 2 days that I have to eat like regular food, like without the every plate. So today I bought some pizza. So we're going to eat some pizza from Aldi. I've never tried their pizza, so I'm excited to try it. But yeah. I am going to try the banana bites from my Love with Food box. All right, so it has dark chocolate on the outside, banana on the inside. So I'm going to try it out for you guys. What they kind of look like. Good stuff. So good.
Had chills. So you know how they take your temperature before you go back to work or something? That's what it felt like. And my mom in Texas had...
I don't know if you guys read, but Disneyland is going to end their current annual passport program. They're going to develop new membership offerings for park goers. So press release says, we want to thank our annual pass holders for their understanding during this closure period. Due to continued uncertainty on the pandemic and limitations around the park opening, California theme parks will be issuing appropriate refunds for eligible Disneyland annual passport and sunsetting the current program. We are currently developing new membership offerings that will utilize consumer insights to deliver choice, flexibility, and value for our biggest fans. So I don't know what that means, but it's probably still going to be super expensive and people are going to pay it. People are going to pay the money because people love Disneyland. Don't get me wrong. I love Disneyland. We had a pass for like 7 years, but once we got married and we moved a little bit farther, we decided to not do the pass anymore because we were really, we're about now like an hour away from the park, so we wouldn't have gone. Plus we were saving up for the wedding, so that's initially why we stopped getting the yearly pass. Every time we went, like, it was fine. Like, we would go every Sunday and we loved it, but it just didn't make sense for us to continue if we were going to be moving farther. So that's why we decided not to do it. But we realized, like, after we were done being pass holders, we're like, they like raise the price twice a year, and like they weren't really giving that much back. Like, a lot of the times when we were going at the end, everything was closed, and we're like, why are we paying for something where things are closed? It didn't make sense. But again, I love Disneyland. Maybe one day I'll get the pass back once we have children, but as of right now, it didn't make sense. So I don't know. I feel like they're gonna raise the prices a lot more to like recoup the cost of it being closed for so long. I don't know. I'm gonna continue doing my hair.
Y'all, I love chicken wings, y'all. This was the best thing ever.
I don't separate my clothes because I use this color catcher. Time. Costco softener. I need to change out my battery because it's actually flashing, so I'll be right back. I start my day every day. I come to my office. This is from yesterday. So this side I have my non-work stuff, and this side I have my like work stuff that I use. I have a word puzzle for days that are slow, like the holidays. I get to do a little bit of puzzling. So I'm gonna turn on. Yesterday I was editing the podcast, so I think, yeah, it's still up there. Make sure you guys go follow the podcast on YouTube and also subscribe to it on Spotify or Apple Podcast. I'm making breakfast sandwiches.
But I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been back, but when I come back, but no, no, no.
I didn't finish up the vlog from last week, but I just wanted to end it here. So pretty much yesterday, we had breakfast outdoors. It was really nice. It was sunny. The temperature was perfect. It was like 80 something. So that was really cool. And then we ended up cleaning up the house a little bit more. And we ended up reading One Piece. So One Piece is an anime that I've been into because Ryan put me onto it. It's like one of his favorite animes. So we ended up so pretty much with One Piece and pretty much all or most animes, there's a manga, which is the like comic book version of the anime, and then there's an actual anime, which is the animated portion of the manga. So with One Piece, pretty much I'm all caught up to the anime. So now I'm reading the manga, and I'm only 10 chapters away from catching up to where it's at now. They just hit their 1000th manga chapter. So I'm almost there. Yes, I have read 900 chapters of One Piece, and I really enjoy it. So anyway, we ended up doing that until I think 10 o'clock. I was really tired, so we ended up going to sleep pretty early. And then here we are today, Monday. But I wanted to end the vlog and see how you guys are doing. Hoping that, you know, the sun coming out makes you happy. It made me happy this weekend. I felt like my spirits were very, very much lifted. So yeah, and I'm wearing my cute little Mickey sweater that I love. Anyway, I'm on lunch and I just finished watching all the vlogs that I usually watch on Mondays, and I'm about to go upstairs and finish working. The rest of the day looks pretty chill in terms of work. Like at my work, they kind of divide you up through functions. So you either do phones, emails, then I also do traces, which is like shipping department stuff. So the rest of the day I only have emails and traces, and I'm happy about that because the whole morning I was taking phone calls, which is fine as well. Like it was not bad, but I prefer to be doing like emails and stuff. So yeah, the rest of the day looks good, but I'll leave you guys here. This is the end of the last week's vlog. I know it's kind of scattered. I'm trying to get better at like making it flow a little bit better, but I don't know. I haven't done this for long, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.